Hard work won't make you rich. Here's what you need to understand if you want to not miss the turn that gets you to the intersection of luxury lane and big bucks. Then hard work is a small part. You need to change your perspective and open yourself to this 5 financial concepts. 1. Knowing what you are after. Having a big operating budget is not wealth. You can be churning millions of dollars a year, but you are only getting wealthy to the extent you are profiting on that churning. A lot of churning with little profit is actually worrisome. A huge house of cards falls just as fast as a small one. 2. Financial leverage, also known as other people's money. A business acquaintance mentions he needs 200 reciprocal capacitors, or whatever, to keep his production line going. He's desperate and willing to pay $2 each. You've got $100 and know where you can get such capacitors for $1 each. You could double your money. Or, you can borrow $100 paying back $110, and almost triple your money. Even better, you can get your acquaintance to pay in advance and clear an even bigger cut without putting your money at risk. 3. Labor leverage. At one point in my retail career, I took on a new window washer. The next time, he showed up in a suit, took my $20 from petty cash and left his associate behind to do the window washing. I started seeing his associates around town, at least 3 different ones. I idly started calculating what he could potentially make with 3 window washers under him while he concentrated on selling and coordinating. Maybe there could be a little money in cleaning glass. When it dawned on me the guy could easily be grossing $120 an hour with a labor cost of at most $21 an hour, 35 years ago, and additional overhead of at most $2 an hour, I was shocked that he was netting about 4 times as much as I was as a partner in a thriving retail business, and with significantly fewer headaches and employees. 4. Spotting opportunity. The productivity cycle that creates all the goods that actually represent the economy begins when an enterprising person looks to the future and sees the opportunity to make a profit. Think how easy it would be to start a window washing business. So, why then do 99% of all casual window washers go about it all wrong by doing all the work themselves? Understanding how to spot situations that can be turned into profit-generating opportunities is an acumen that must be cultivated. Most people don't start their own business, they create a job for themselves in addition to which they have to function as boss, secretary and marketing person, 4 jobs in one, a burnout track rather than leverage. 5. Making money with money. $4 billion in one day last week. No, as you know, it was by equity. You are frail. You've got something like 100,000 to 150,000 working hours in your entire life, multiply that times what you can net per hour, and there's how rich you will potentially be. Money/equity can work 24/7 365 and not break a sweat. The trick is to live as frugally as possible when starting out young, forego every non-essential, and set aside every dime you can. Putting your money to work for you can make money for you even while you are sleeping. You can eat out at a nice restaurant and make the money to pay for the meal while you are dining. Better yet, you can have your fellow diner who wants your business pick up the check. Be open to knowledge and smash the subscribe button.